Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some new cleaning products that I picked up from Target. They're not new, but they're new to me. So I went in for one thing and I'm really excited about it, and you will see that in a minute. And then I kind of just stumbled across these other things, and like I said, they're not new, but they're new to me and I'm really excited about them. So I'm excited to show you guys. And then also when I was done going to Target, we ran to the P.O. box and I got some really great things in there. It's been forever since I've checked my P.O. box. I'm really bad about that unless I know specifically that someone's sending something. So yeah, we went and checked that and I got some really good things and I wanted to share with you guys. So if you want to see what all I got today and what we got in our P.O. box, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing, oh, it's storming outside, and it just, as soon as I said that, lightning struck. Anyways, the first thing that I picked up was this Pine Sol in the Lavender Clean scent. You guys know I love Pine Sol, and the original scent is really the only one that I like. It kills germs, 99.9% of germs, and I love that one. I love the way it smells, but Madeline actually picked this up and said, "Mom, smell this. It smells so good," and it does. This one does not claim to kill germs, but it does smell really good. And if you're wondering, it does not smell like Fabuloso. Fabuloso does smell really good, and I do use that in my home, but this smells better. And I've never used it, so I don't know, but I think it's going to smell really nice to like wash the bathrooms and stuff with. But you guys will see me use it in a cleaning video very, very soon if you haven't already when you see this video. So yeah, I got that. Then I picked up this Clorox tub and tile scrubber. It says featuring antimicrobial protection of the non-scratch scrubber pad. Also says it can be used with a Clorox wipe, if you see that right there. Apparently you can stick a Clorox wipe to it if you wanted. I don't know if I'll do that. I don't know how I feel about that for like in the shower, but I might try it. The handle, oh, the handle extends by over 40% in their replacement scrubber pads. So how do you extend it? And then this is, well, that's not good. Just twist that on there. Anyways, this is like slightly abrasive, so it should be good to scrub and shine your showers and tubs. So I normally use my little dish soap ones and I really love them, and I'm not looking to replace that method, but I mean, come on. I see something new and it looked kind of cool, so I'm going to try it out and see what I think, and I'll let you guys know. The next cleaning product I picked up was these Windex electronic wipes. And I do get asked a lot like what I clean my electronics with, and usually I just use a damp cloth. But I wanted to try these. So it comes with 25 pre-moistened wipes. It says no residue, streak-free shine for televisions, computers, cell phones, and more. I'm gonna see. It says they have a spray as well. I'll show you right here. It shows they have a spray. So, I don't know, again, you'll see me use them probably in a cleaning video, and I'll let you know what I think. Okay, so I'm going to go grab the last cleaning item I got, the one I'm most excited about, and then we'll go into the P.O. box stuff. This is kind of awkward, but I did pick up the Bissell CrossWave. They have a pet version. It's the purple one, and it's $100 more, and the only differences are the roller brush is a little different, and there is like a lint trap inside of the tank, and to me that wasn't worth $100. I did my research, and so I'm really excited about this, but I'm going to tell you kind of what it is if you don't know what it is, but I have to get in a more comfortable position because I am gonna die. Okay, so basically what this is a hardwood floor cleaner, so like tile, linoleum, hardwood, what else does it say? Oh, and it says it can do area rugs as well, so like a light area rug cleaner, shampooer. I do have a Hoover hardwood floor cleaner. You may have seen me use it in videos, and it is similar to this, but there are differences. That one is a few years old. I think I've had that one for 4 years, and it still works great, and I do still love it. But the reason that I wanted this one is because it should, if it works the way it says, cut out an entire step for me. So it actually vacuums and mops at the same time. So it sucks up the moisture, the wetness. So if you did have a spill, like if one of the kids spilled something, it would suck that up, but also vacuums dry stuff at the same time. So supposedly it's supposed to cut out an entire step for me. So on the days when I mop normally, I go in and vacuum, and then I do my bucket and water mopping. So this should hopefully save me some time and do a little bit better job, because the roller is actually going around like this and scrubbing the floor. I'll definitely do a review for you guys on my channel, and I will definitely be using it in future videos. But I do plan to make a video completely dedicated to this. I'm going to unbox it and do first impressions and all of that. Actually, I'm going to do that after I film this. Just kidding, I forgot I got one more cleaning product. I didn't get this at Target. I actually got this at PetSmart. It's the Simple Solution Stain and Odor Remover for pets. This is what it looks like. This is what we use for any pet accident, so urine, poop, vomit, anything like that. We had this same brand, and it was in like an orange or citrus scent. I didn't really end up liking that scent, but we went through it. It's almost out, and so I picked up this one, which is the Floral Fresh, and it smells so good. I want to say I can't wait to use it, but then that means that one of the dogs is probably going to have an accident. So, and by one of the dogs, I mean Bailey, because Tucker doesn't. But, yeah, I want to use it, but I don't want to use it for that reason, if that makes sense. And Bailey does not have very many accidents at all. But we have it just in case. And even sometimes just for any spills, I will use it, because basically it just kills bacteria and brings up odor. But anyways, okay, so now to get into the P.O. box stuff, I'm gonna try to go, I think we got 3 different things from 3 different people. Okay, so the first thing that I got in the P.O. box was this card, and it is from Lindsay, from Lindsay's Life and Style. You probably already know her. If you don't, she has a channel, and it's an awesome channel. If you love my channel, you will absolutely love her. She does even more cleaning videos than me, and her cleaning videos are probably my top favorite cleaning videos. I have a few favorite, but hers are probably my top favorite. So if you like the way I clean specifically, I think you would like her cleaning videos, and her house is beautiful. But she is the one who actually interviewed me for the YouTuber tips, and as a really good video, if you are a YouTuber or if you're even just curious, it is really thundering. She has a series on her channel where she interviews fast-growing YouTubers, and I was honored for her to interview me, and I will link that video in the description box if you guys are interested to go check that out. But she sent me this thank you card to tell me thank you, and then she sent me a unicorn bath bomb, and Madeline is trying to steal this from me, so I'm literally going to have to hide it. And then she sent me these Yes to Carrots and Yes to Tomatoes face masks. I'm so excited about these. This is a calming one, and this is a detoxifying one, and I love face masks. So thank you so much. I will have a Pamper Me night. And then she also sent me a Starbucks gift card, and the cool part about it, I thought anyways, is that it's a Phoenix one, and she is from Arizona. They live in Arizona right now. So I thought that was pretty cool. But thank you so much, Lindsay. That was really unnecessary. You didn't have to do that. I was honored to be in your video. Okay, and then the next thing I got was a card, and it is this birthday card here. It was the only birthday card I got. I thought that was so sweet of her to think of me. And I don't want to butcher your name, so I am so sorry if I pronounce this wrong. It is a pet peeve of mine when people pronounce names wrong, and I'm probably gonna butcher your name, but I think it's Ruxana. Again, I'm so sorry if I said that wrong, but anyway, she sent me this really sweet birthday card, and inside of it, you guys, she sent me a Target gift card, and she really did not have to do that, but you don't know how much that means to me. That is so kind of you. So thank you so much. I love it. Okay, and then the last package I got was huge, and this person went all out, and oh my gosh, I have so much to say, but I'm just going to show you the card first. She sent this sweet little card, and inside of the card, she kind of listed what everything that she got, who it specifically was for. And then she said at the bottom that she was sorry she didn't get my husband anything. She wasn't sure what he liked, but thank you for serving his country, which I did read this card out loud to him and the letter as well, and he thought that was so nice. And I have a little story. So she also sent me a letter, and I'm not going to read it to you guys because I feel like it is kind of personal in between her and I, but I do want Lucy to know that I read this at the lunch table to my entire family, and I cried, and I'm probably going to cry now just talking about it, but I want you to know that it meant so much to me, and that I really appreciate you. I appreciate you doing all of this, but the letter meant the most to me, and I just want you to know that. I'm going to insert a picture now of what she got the fur babies, but she got them these really cute little doggy costumes or outfits. She got Tucker this cute little red shirt that says Canada on it, and then she got Bailey the little Canadian bandana, and it is so cute. And Tucker is wearing his right now. Bailey, I had to take hers off because she kept chewing it, but I got those pictures of them, and they are so precious. So I thought that was so cute that she didn't forget about the doggies. And then she got Kinsley a really cute little shirt, and it says Canada. And this is so awesome to me because I don't have anything from Canada. I've never been to Canada. I would love to go there and visit. And then she got Madeline this shirt here, and it says Canadian, I guess, is that like a Canadian thing? Do you guys say Am I saying that right? And then she got, and I thought this was so sweet, she got Madeline's best friend Madison a matching one. And the thing that touched me the most about this one is just like how well she pays attention to my family. It feels like she knows us. And one of the little things in the card was she got the girls these little hair ties, and in the card, like I said, she stated what everything was for, and she was like, the mint ones are for Madeline because she knows Madeline loves mint. That just touched me so much. My husband thought that was so cool. I just feel like you just know my family so well, and it just feels so special. And then she got Kinsley, has already been in this little sticker book, this coloring sticker book, and I will show you the picture that Kinsley has already colored. The picture that Kinsley has started on coloring Snow White down there, and I think she did a really good job. She loves this. And then she also got her this Tooth Fairy book with Peppa Pig, and Kinsley loves Peppa Pig, so that is so cute. And then she got Madeline this really cute emoji connect the dot mazes. So this is a really cool activity book for her to just connect the dots, fun little thing. And then she got this adorable planner for us, and it says it's a dog's life, and this is magnetic. And when you open it up, how cute is this, you guys? It has the planner here, so it's got all the days of the week. It's got little notes here, little notes there, and then an envelope here. And the funny thing is when I opened this up, I hadn't read the card yet, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cute, I love it. And Madeline asked me a little bit later, she was like, Mommy, do you think that maybe I could have the planner? And I was like, yeah, you can have the planner. And she was like, really? Thank you. And then when I read the card, it turned out that it was for her anyway. So she loves that. She's so excited. And then she got me this cute little sign that says live, love, laugh. Love it. And then, was that everything? Yes, I think that was everything in there. Like I said, when we got this home, my kids like took everything and went crazy. But that was so sweet. And again, the letter was just so nice, and I just am so appreciative. I'm so grateful. So thank you so much, guys, for everything. I am so grateful for you all. I am so grateful to have such amazing viewers, such supportive, and I mean, I know it, I think a lot of people say this, but I mean it when I say it, because I wouldn't say it if I didn't mean it. I honestly feel like I have such a great group of followers. I don't get that much hate. I get so much support and encouragement, and so many of you, your screen names, your faces, your profile pictures, I know them when they pop up in the comments. I know who you are from Instagram. I know that you watch every video of mine, and you're always so sweet, and you don't know how much that means to me. So I just want to take this time to tell you that it means so much to me, and I don't take it for granted. Yeah. Anyways, before I keep rambling on, I am going to go ahead and go get this Bissell out and do my review on that. I'm so excited to see how it cleans, and I hope you guys will subscribe and give this video a like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! It's impossible, not melting, irresistible when I look through your eyes, not even
sky's the limit.